people think you need a big salary to save money, but the truth is, saving money has almost nothing to do with how much you earn and everything to do with how you manage what you already have. In fact, millions of people with high incomes live paycheck to paycheck, while others with modest incomes quietly build savings. In this video, I'll show you 7 practical ways to save money even if your income is small, without extreme budgeting, without cutting all joy from your life, and without feeling constantly stressed about money. These 7 ways are categorized into sections. Make sure you watch each section carefully. If you are new to Wealth Pulse TV, do not forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Let's get started. Section 1, change how you see saving. The biggest mistake people make is thinking saving is something you do after all expenses are paid. But when your income is small, there's never extra money left. That's why saving has to come first, not last. Even saving $1, $5, or $10 a day builds a habit. And habits matter more than amounts. Saving isn't about being rich, it's about being intentional. Section 2, automate small savings. One of the easiest ways to save with a small income is automation. When you automate savings, you remove decision making and decision fatigue. Set up an automatic transfer the moment your money comes in, even if it's just 3% of your income. You won't miss what you never see. Over time, those small automatic savings quietly grow without effort. Section 3, cut expenses that don't add value. Saving money doesn't mean cutting everything you enjoy. It means cutting things that don't actually improve your life. Look for subscriptions you forgot about, convenience spending you don't even remember, impulse purchases that give short-term dopamine. Ask yourself one question: would I still buy this if I had to pay cash right now? If the answer is no, that's where savings are hiding. Section 4, use the low-income budget method. Traditional budgets often fail for low incomes because they're too rigid. Instead, use this simple rule: cover needs first, save second, spend the rest guilt-free. Your needs are housing, food, transportation, basic utilities. Savings comes immediately after needs, even if it's small. What's left is flexible spending. No guilt, no stress. This method works because it's realistic. Section 5, increase savings without earning more. If increasing income isn't an option right now, increase efficiency. Here's how: buy generic instead of brand names. Cook at home more often. Use cashback apps. Compare prices before buying. Saving $2 here and $5 there doesn't feel powerful until you add it up monthly. Small wins compound. Jeans, grocery store aisle shots, cooking at home, cashback notifications, calculated, adding small numbers. Section 6, build an emergency buffer. An emergency fund isn't about being wealthy at all. It's about protection. Start with a micro goal: $100, then $300, then 1 month of expenses. This buffer stops emergencies from becoming debt. And once you experience financial breathing room, even a little, your stress levels drop dramatically. Last but not the least is avoid the "I'll save later." Waiting to earn more before saving is a trap. If you don't save when money is tight, you won't magically save when you earn more. The habit has to come first. The income growth comes later. I start where you are. With what you have, you don't need a high income to save money. You need clarity, consistency, and patience. If this video helped you, like it so more people can see it. Subscribe for more simple money strategies that actually work. Your future self will thank you.